What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today we are making a high protein lunch / breakfast. As you can see, this is breakfast because I'm still in my dressing gown and PJ, so you can do this for everyone. So what you need is a bowl, and then you also need a spoon, and then you also need some eggs. You can use any eggs you want, British, American, any type of egg. You can use as many eggs as you like. You can use whatever type you like, so it doesn't really matter as long as they're eggs. You need firelight spray, oil. You need you need a frying pan, and then you also need salt and pepper, and that is it. So you can use. Oh no, you need a plate as well to put your bread on. You obviously need some bread, so you can use a plate for bread, or you can just get a normal. But you need a plate. You can just use bread. So you need about. Depends how many people you want. Depends how many bread you want. You can use. I recommend 2 slices of bread. One, if you feel hungry, I'll say go for 3 or 4. But if you use one, if you want 1 slice of bread, you need 1 egg. If you need 2 bread, you need 2 slices. You need 2 eggs. So you're gonna crack the eggs into a bowl, and you need to whisk it up, and you're gonna put some salt and pepper in it. So you can use oil, or you can use low-calorie cooking spray. I recommend you use oil, but in this I'm just going to show you how to use low-calorie cooking spray. Because low-calorie cooking spray is obviously healthier than using oil, but it doesn't really taste as nice if you use low-calorie cooking spray, because it sticks to the pan when I was doing it. So and then after it, I did one with oil, and when I did it with oil, I'll show you that one at the end. And it looked way nicer, it tasted nicer, had more egg on it because all the eggs got stuck to the pan. So now you need to, once you whisk your egg up, you put salt and pepper in it, and then you need to give that a good whisk around again. So this is eggy bread. Some of you may know what this is, but this is basically just bread soaked in egg. It's basically like how you make French toast, but instead of putting like sugar and sweetener in it, you don't put that in, and this is really high in protein. You can put cheese in this, you can put ketchup on it, you can put whatever you want in it. So I recommend this if you're trying to diet. So then once you have your whisk, your egg whisk, whatever you want to call it, the product, once you whisk the eggs up, you obviously, this is what it should look like. And then you're going to get your bread, and then this is where you're going to just put it in the bowl basically. You're gonna. It depends how soaked you want your bread. If you put it in, you want to get it all over it. But the longer you put it in for, the more soaked it will get. So it's really up to you. So if you want it really, if you want to like really cover the egg, you soak it in longer, and you flip it over both sides. Because both sides are covered, and you make sure you get the crust covered as well. But as you can see, for me, I've soaked it. It's literally just all sunk in the middle. I mean, there you can see it's dripping. You obviously just throw it in your frying pan. You need a spatula as well. The spatula, so you can flip your bread. And I recommend that you do this to a medium-high temperature, because it does cook really quickly. Because I literally, this one, the cooking spray, this took forever. Did it with oil, it took 2 minutes to cook. So I honestly recommend you do this with oil. Don't try and do it with firelight cooking spray. It takes forever, and it just looks an absolute mess and doesn't taste very nice. So then here you have it with cheese. You just get some cheese, and here you have it with oil. That's what it looks like. It looks way nicer than the firelight one, cooking spray. So if you guys enjoyed this and you thought this was really useful, please make sure you like and subscribe, as I need